Hello guys and welcome to this QishioSoci review. In this review I will show you what is this product, the features of this product, the sales page, the live demo, price, the bonuses, and finally my honest review at the end of this video. But before we start, please smash that subscribe button right now for more videos like this one. So let's get started. People are spending more and more time on social media because they haven't been able to meet with people in person. Facebook and Instagram are reporting skyrocketing usage of engagement numbers since March of last year. Where better to put your products links that right where everyone is hanging out. Kenny saw this opportunity and has put together QishioSoci to help you get your links and ads in front of people who are looking to buy. So in the last few months, Kenny and his team have been working non-stop to put the finishing touch of his next great solution that will make social media dance to your tune. Social media is everywhere now, and if you are not there, your online business is missing out a big time. Kenny and his team have the perfect system to make your social media campaigns super easy, faster, and done it in a way that's never been done before. So QishioSoci is the most complicated social media management and marketing technology ever. It lets you design, post, sell, and respond on social media all practically on autopilot, all from one dashboard with no recurring fees, even if you are a total beginner. So stop struggling and wondering how to connect to your buyers on Facebook, on Instagram, profitably connect with them every time they want to ask a question. Now you can easily set this up in a little as a 4 minutes inside QishioSoci. You are going to find the ability to offer any affiliate offer you want on any of your Facebook or Instagram pages and watch the Facebook algorithm send you targeted traffic. Then your comment and messenger bots will answer for you while you're busy sleeping, eating, or spending time with those you love. So this is some features of QishioSoci. Of course, I've tried this software as a tester recently and I am going to make the most honest review for you guys. Generates the fastest results you have ever seen. Is equally effective for experienced and beginner marketers. Sends free targeted traffic to your affiliate links from 40 sources on complete autopilot. Fixes all of your traffic generation problem in one click. Fixes all of your affiliate marketing problems in one click. Requires no technical skills, experience, or budget. 100% no-be friendly, affordable monthly subscription. Pay once only. Now let's see the sales page. In less than 72 seconds, blast any affiliate links to 4.89 billion free hungry buyers traffic, which generated us 365 to 798 daily. No experience, no hustles, poor results. And there is 3 steps to use QishioSoci. Step number 1 is grab QishioSoci now, be act fast, the price is rising every hour. Step number 2, log into the cloud-based app, log in and add some simple details such as your affiliate links. And step number 3, push the button and relax. The app will enrich free traffic from plus 40 sources to your link on autopilot. And you can scroll all the sales page if you want to, of course. Now let's see QishioSoci from inside.
Welcome to QishioSoci. In this demo, I'm going to show you the basics of how to use QishioSoci. So from the dashboard, first thing you're going to want to do is import your account, which I have already done. And then you're going to want to find the offer you want to promote. So you click here, we're going to go to Warrior Plus. And because I'm doing a lifestyle one, I'm going to type in life. And here's one, a PLR, the new normal life balance. All right, so I'm going to go over here to grab that deal. And I'll see here this new normal life balance. Copy that, go to offers, put that in there. And here it is. Now I'm going to request it. And you click on request. You click here to request approval. And then you click on request offer. And then you wait until you get a response on, and it says pending, and then you come back and get that code. Now, once you grab your affiliate code, you're going to want to go into your page builder, and we're just going to go and look for something here that we want to grab, one of these templates here, and we're going to just grab this simple one here. And you'll see the page builder loads. and you'll see the Aurora template, anything you want to do here. And then what you can do is say, okay, you want to grab my life improvement PDF. So to create a link, we're going to click this down arrow here, scroll down to see the word link here, and we're going to add that there. Here's our simple hyperlink. And we put our URL in here and go, this is my hyperlink. .com, or however you paste your affiliate link right there, and then you download it. Are you sure? Yep, we want to download it. All right, so now it has downloaded my template and added it to my list of downloaded pages. So it automatically takes me there. So this is the downloaded pages. So now I want to go to my link. And I click on the link there, and it says that QishioSoci has copied the link, and I say okay. So now I go to my Facebook posting, and I want to make this a multimedia post. So we want to create a new post, and our campaign name is going to be Aurora Post, and we're going to say grab this great deal, and then we're going to put our link there that we created. What page we want to put it on? Best Day Ever Guy. Post it now. Click on Create Campaign. Has been performed successfully. Click here to see the report. And you see it has been posted on what page? Text. Completed. It's not scheduled to do it because we did it automatically. Now let's go look at our post, reload our page. And there it is. Grab this deal. And of course we can schedule that. We can put more images in here, but this is the basic idea. And then when I click on this, it takes us to that page that we created with our link. Of course I could do a little better on design, but that's where it is. So all those, that's the basic idea of how QishioSoci works. Now, you can also set up your messenger bot. When you go in your messenger bot, there's all kinds of ways that you can set up postbacks to be notified what domains you want whitelisted. You can create templates so that people are messaging you and you're automatically messaging them back. Set up Facebook on autopilot. So as people comment on your thing, so it's like if they go in here and they put a comment in here, hey, this is interesting. You can then have a response to that with a template. You create your templates here, auto comments, and set all those up there to allow people to interact with you even when you're not there. And you have the same thing with Instagram to connect those. So QishioSoci allows you to automate all your social media and allow people to find things that they're interested in by their searching on Facebook, and then connect to products and affiliate links that you have set up in those particular niches that they can stumble across, and you will profit from those even when you're not at your computer, because everything is automated with QishioSoci.
And for the bonuses, you will get 5 valuable bonuses. Bonus number 1, Facebook Live Mastery Video Training. Bonus number 2, free Facebook traffic strategy. Bonus number 3, Instagram Guide for Beginners Video Training. Bonus number 4, how to build email list from scratch video training. And the last bonus, bonus number 5, SEO Marketing School video training. Total value of all these bonuses, $2,435. And now for the price, you will get revolutionary affiliate marketing app, plus step-by-step training, plus email support, plus bonuses, and of course money back guarantee for $17 one-time pay, no monthly fees. And of course you will have 30-day money back guarantee if you face a problem on the product or you don't like it. And now for my honest review, as you know, social media is one of the absolute most effective ways to reaching people, generating traffic and leads. But what should you focus on? Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. There are many great social networks out there, each with their own benefits and opportunities. It also seems like new strategies and tools are being published daily. Imagine how powerful it would be to blast your payment or affiliate link across Facebook and Instagram for 100% free traffic, leads and sales. Being an early adopter of smartest social messaging technology will give you a major advantage as a marketer over other competitors. If you are still struggling to get those first few dollars online, then this could be the big break you've been waiting for. With this proven and simple 3-step system, you can literally start building your list and generating totally passive affiliate income in just 15 minutes from right now. QishioSoci from Kenya completely automates affiliate marketing, eliminates all this tedious work, and short, lets you blast any affiliate offer to 50 traffic sources in under 16 seconds. I already tried the product and I find it very helpful. And the best second thing I see here is you will get available bonuses. I tried these bonuses. I watched some training included of these bonuses and I find it very powerful. If you want QishioSoci, you will find the link in the description below. I think you don't have to lose anything if you try this product, because you will have 30 days money back guarantee if you don't like it or face a problem using it. So the link in the description below, and of course if you see this video helpful, I will much appreciate it if you give it a like, smash that subscribe button, and you are free to comment anything you want below, and see you on the next video.